In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern, mobile-responsive contact form using Google Apps Script, where all form data is validated and saved directly into Google Sheets. No third-party tools required. This is perfect for websites, landing pages, or client projects. Let's take a look at how this is done. First, open the Google Sheet that we've added in the description below. Click on the File menu and then click on Make a Copy. It will ask you to give a name to your copied file. It will also mention that the file includes app script code, and this will be copied along with it. After that, choose the location where you want to save this file. Now, click on the Make a Copy button. Once the sheet is copied, click on Extensions and open Apps Script. This code works as the backend for your spreadsheet. Here's the web view. It serves as the front end for your app. Make sure your sheet name is exactly the same as this variable name. Now it's time to deploy our script. Click on the Deploy button and choose New Deployment. Enter a description for the deployment. Select Execute as me. Then, select anyone for access. Finally, just click the Deploy button and your script will be live. Click the Authorize Access button to grant permission to your data. Choose the email where your file is available. Now click on Advanced. Then, click Go to Untitled Project. Now click Continue. This web app URL is the link to access our form. Let's test the form. Validations are also implemented and fully functional. As you can see, the data is instantly saved into Google Sheets with a timestamp. You can use this contact form for business websites, landing pages, freelance client projects, or internal tools. If you're looking for something like this for your website or a similar service, feel free to contact us. We can create a custom solution just for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Google Apps Script tutorials. Thanks for watching.